Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. We're gonna level up your cooking today with this cornbread casserole, but we're gonna put a little twist on it. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown on what we have. So back here we have our corn. I'm using frozen corn. You can use canned corn if you want to, just make sure you drain it. We have our milk here, flour, cornmeal. If you don't want to use the flour and cornmeal, you can go ahead and use the pre-made Jiffy mix if that's what you got, that works also. Bacon, baking powder, green pepper, sour cream, melted butter, some sugar, black pepper. I have some Cubanelle peppers here, and we have our cheese here. Now, guys, if you want to add those jalapenos in there, you can. I wanted to add jalapenos, but I don't have any jalapenos here. All I had in my fridge was some green peppers and some Cubanelle pepper. So I think that'll put a nice little twist on it. So let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna cook our bacon. And guys, we're gonna cook this until it's crisp all the way through. Okay, it looks like we are good with our bacon. We want to go ahead and pause our heat. We're going to get this removed, add this to a dish, and we're going to come right back. All right, let's unpause our heat. We're going to take about a tablespoon and a half of that bacon grease. We're going to add it back to our pan, and we're going to add our corn. And we're just going to cook this until it softens. We're going to add our green peppers and our Cubanelle peppers. And guys, if you want to skip this step and you don't want to soften your veggies, you can do that also. You can go straight to our next step, but you want to at least make sure your corn is thawed out if you use frozen corn. But I like to saute mine, especially in this bacon grease. Gives it some additional flavor. We're going to sprinkle this with a little salt, a little black pepper. Continue to cook it. All right, so after about 5 minutes, I think we're good here. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna remove our corn mixture and we're gonna head over to our cutting board. All right, so let's start making our cornbread mixture. We're gonna take our cornmeal, add it here, our flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. And we're gonna get that whisked together. All right, that looks good. Now we're gonna add our corn mixture, our sour cream, and our milk. And we're gonna get this mixed together. All right, we're gonna add our butter, our black pepper, half our bacon. So don't use all your bacon in this one. This step here, use half of it, and a cup of our cheese. And we're gonna stir this until it's well combined. And make sure while you're doing this, you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. All right, guys, just like that. All right, so now we're gonna bring over our baking dish. I already greased it with some cooking spray. Now we're gonna take our cornbread mixture and we're gonna add it here. And we're just gonna even that and smooth it out over the top like this. We're gonna take the remaining cheese, sprinkle that over the top like this. This is about half of the remaining cheese. I'm gonna get back to that, but right now I'm gonna add some green peppers. Now again, if you're using jalapenos, this is a good time to sprinkle them over the top too. You want to take that leftover bacon. Now I'm gonna go back with the remaining of that cheese that was left over. Fill in a couple of spots. Again, you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it like this. I just like to layer it a little bit. You don't have to layer it if you don't want to. You just put all the cheese on there, add all your jalapenos or green peppers, and then your bacon's all up to you. Now with the remaining green peppers and the last of that bacon. All right, we're gonna put this in our oven, 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, until the center is set and the top of it is golden, all right? Like I say 40 to 45 minutes. Some people's stove is hotter than others. Mine may take less because I'm using a gas stove. I always have to cook my recipes 5 to 10 minutes less than a gas stove, all right? So I'm gonna get that in there, we're coming right back. All right, guys, and this is what we have right out the oven after about 40 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up over on our cutting board and get into the final presentation. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate cornbread casserole. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. All right, quality control time. Guys, take a look at our cornbread casserole. Man, look at that cheese, that bacon. Oh man, you already know it's cheesy and bacony. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Let me bring this up to the front of the congregation again. Look at that. Man, y'all got it. Oh, man. Man, listen, I almost moonwalked back to my spot. Listen, this is a good holiday recipe or a recipe for any family gathering. You'll love this one. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, not the chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.